Welcome to Match May. Woo! Welcome our very first contestant, Denise. Welcome, Denise. Today you are our very first contestant on our new show, Match May, where we find you your perfect hair crown.
How did I get here?
Don't ask questions. Let's get started. Denise, step into my office. I'm going to ask you a few intimate questions to really make sure we find you your perfect match. My first one is, what is your favorite food?
I like apple pie.
Excellent. What is your favorite hobby?
Drinking wine.
Girl, same. And finally, what is your favorite sort of mood for your first date?
I like long romantic walks with apple pie and a glass of wine.
Great. Let's get started. Contestant number 1, what is your favorite food?
Ooh, I love Apple. Anything Apple. I love Apple Crisp. I love Apple iPhones. I love Apple candles, Apple hand sanitizers. Ooh, but my favorite is apple pie.
And suddenly I'm craving some pie too. Contestant number 2, what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobby would definitely be drinking wine. I mean, I drink wine pretty much everywhere, all the time. Drink wine on a boat, on a plane, on a train. Oh, and I definitely like drinking wine with my goats.
I love wine too. And finally, contestant number 3, what is your ideal mood for your very first date?
I love long romantic walks on the beach. And I love to talk to birds. Blue jay? You kill me.
Well, that got weird. All great choices, but who will I choose? Do you love it?
I do!
It looks so perfect on you. I would say that this is your ideal match. And who will be matched next? Make sure you tune in to see our next episode.